The mission of the Women's Resource Center is to promote gender equity through 4 distinct pillars: allyship, feminism, leadership, and empowerment. The WRC welcomes students, faculty, and staff from various backgrounds. We celebrate diversity of sex, age, race, economic or marital status, gender, sexual orientation, educational level, or disabilities. Our programs and events aim to increase the awareness and understanding of the contributions, opportunities, and barriers facing women in our society. Women Empowering Women is a support group open for students, staff, and faculty. Topics discussed include self-care while navigating college, school and/or life balance, managing mental health, relationships, and other topics that arise organically through the interaction of group participants. Counselors from the Student Health and Counseling Services facilitate these weekly sessions. The Women's Resource Center offers an internship opportunity titled Speak. Students promoting education, awareness, and knowledge. Through this internship, students engage with the campus community in conversations around sexual violence prevention and bystander intervention through a feminist lens. The program's guiding philosophy shifts the focus of sexual violence prevention from being primarily a women's issue to an issue that engages all genders. The center offers a number of signature programs and events, including our F-Word series. These series of panels, discussions, teach-ins, guest speakers, and collaborations are facilitated by faculty, students, and communities. The F-Word series covers a variety of topics relating to the feminist theory and issues impacting women. Additionally, the center hosts the Empowering Women of Color Conference, which offers a space for women of color to voice their stories through intentional dialogue, reflection sessions, and mentorship opportunities. The conference also gives students the opportunity to self-reflect and redefine their aspirations. The WRC supports local Sacramento artists through the Memory, Monologue, Rant, and Prayer stage production by Eve Ansler. The production highlights racism, misogyny, homophobia, and xenophobia through a series of monologues written by prominent female authors and students, which are performed by Sac State students. This event takes place in the spring semester. The Women's Resource Center promotes gender equity, diversity, and inclusion by increasing the awareness of the contributions, opportunities, and barriers facing women in our society. We affirm students through intersectional programming and a safe space, and we advocate for the success of everyone we serve at Sacramento State.